Now the class is about to start. The book that we want to use is At-Tibyan. It has two parts, the first part and the second part. Now we are starting with the first part of the material, which is the Arabic alphabet. It's known as At-Tibyan. If you have it as soft copy, please endeavor to print it out as hard copy. If you don't have the material and you need the material, you can download it on the internet. And if you find any difficulty in downloading it, you can just comment in the comment section on Facebook, on YouTube channel that we are finding difficulty in downloading the book. Then the link will be sent to you. So we are starting from page 5. That page 5 consists of Arabic alphabets. That is the 28 Arabic alphabets. Can you see it? That is the page 5, 28 Arabic alphabets. Now we'll be talking of حروف اللثوية, حروف المفخم, then حرف لثوي مفخم. Now, the first alphabet is Alif. Alif. Now, it is written as one like this, Alif. Then the second alphabet is Hamza. Hamza can be written on Alif. It can also be written on Ya. It can also be written on Wow as well. Anytime you come across Hamza, you should know that Hamza is Hamza and it's pronounced A, just like Alif. Then Ba, Ta, Tha. Ba, Ta, Tha. They are written in the same way. But Ba has dot on the bottom, while Ta has 2 dots on top, while Tha has 3 dots on top. The easiest way to identify Ta from Tha is that whenever you come across Tha, if it's written in a full way or in a half way, just make sure that you count the dots. If the dot is 3, you should know that it is Tha. But if the dot is what? 2, you should understand that no, this is not Tha, but Ta. Now we are going to proceed. Then we have Jim, Ha, Ha. They are also written in the same way. Jim is written as Ha. Ha is also written as Ha. Now, how are you going to identify this? The easiest way to identify is that Jim has a dot on under, while Ha has no dot. It has no dot under, it has no dot on top. While we have Ha. Ha, look at it, it has no dot under, but there is a what? A dot on top of the alphabet. So that is the easiest way to differentiate Jim from Ha from Ha. Then we have Dal and Zal. It is written as in the same way as well, but Zal has a dot, while Dal has no dot on top. We have Ra, Zayu. Ra and Zayu are written in the same way. Ra has no dot, while Zayu has 1 dot on top. Then we have Sin and Shin. Shin has 3 dots on top, while Sin has no dots on top. So whenever you come across any alphabet that is written in this form, you should know that if it is not Sin, it is Shin. So how are you going to identify Sin from Shin? The way you are to identify Shin from Sin is that Shin has 3 dots on top, while Sin has no dots. Then let's proceed to Sod and Dod. This is Sod, it has no dot on top, while Dod has a dot on top. We have Tor and Zor. How are you going to differentiate Tor from Zor? The best way to differentiate both alphabets is that Tor has no dots, Zor has 1 dot. We have Ain and Goin. Goin has no dot, Ain has no dots. This Ain, it has no dots. Then Goin has 1 dot on top. Faf and Kof. Faf and Kof are similarly written in the same way, but not that similar. There is differences in the writing of Faf and Kof. Faf has a flat bottom. This is Faf. It's what? It has a flat bottom, and this is Kof. It has what? A U bottom. U bottom. Now look at it. This is Kof. It has 2 dots, while Faf has just 1 dot. Then we have Kaf, Lam. Kaf has something like Hamza in the bottom of Kaf. So we have Kaf, we have Lam. Now we have Mim, Nun. Mim is written in a different way, in a dynamic way, whereby you just need to be careful about Mim so that you will be able to fetch it out. No, this is Mim. This is how it is written. Then we have Nun. Nun has 1 dot. So don't mistake nun with bar sometimes. Nun has one dot on top, while bar has just one dot at the bottom. So we have how and wow. How is written differently. Wow is also written differently as well. So we have ya. So we have ya. That is the last alphabet, and ya has 2 dots under. And if you look at the Arabic alphabet, there is no alphabet that has 2 dots at the bottom apart from ya. Now let's bring out our book and do some practice in our book. Now I am opening my book to page 5, which I want you to join me in page 5 at Sibian. Now let's start. Jai, are you ready?
Yeah.
Now Alif.
Alif.
Hamza.
Hamza.
Ba. Ta. Sa. Jim. Ha. Kha. Dal. Zal. Ra. Zaj. Sin. Shin. Sad. Dod. To. Zo. Ain. Goin. Fa. Qaf. Kaf. Lam. Mim. Nun. Ha. Wa. Ya. That is the 28 alphabets. So practice it on your own and learn it. If you have any difficulty, you can just comment in the comment section or text us or send a voice note in the WhatsApp platform. Now we are going to, the next one is to discuss about Al-Arqam Al-Arabiyya. What is Al-Arqam Al-Arabiyya? This one is not written in Atibian, but you are going to understand this in this learning. It goes along with the 28 alphabet. That is, there is no way you will learn Arabic without learning the numeric number. That is the numbers in Arabic. We have numbers in Arabic just as we have it in any other languages. So any language starts its number from 0. That is 0. So 0 in Arabic is just, it is points. This is points. This is 0. This is 1. Just as if you are writing 1 in English. This is 2. 2, you are to write it like this, facing this direction. Whenever you come across a book which is written in Arabic and you see something like this, you know that this is 2. This is 3. 2 and 3, they are just similar, but 3, it has 2, like two places like this. But 2, it does only 1. Now we have 4. 4, look at the way it is written, facing your right hand side. We have 5. 5 is written like this. Look at the way it's written like 0 in English language, but it's not 0. It's not that 0, but it's round, just like round, but it's not that round. So whenever you come across number like this in Arabic, is known as 5. This is 6 and 2, they are almost the same. But look at 2. 2 is facing the right hand side, while 6 is facing the left hand side. 6 is facing the left hand side, then 2 is facing what? The right hand side. That's how to differentiate 6 from 2. 2 right hand side, 6 left hand side. Then 7, look at 7 facing up, 8 facing down like this. So the difference between 7 and 8 is that it's just as if you want to write a triangle. Look at this, is a triangle, right? If I can get it, this is a triangle, right angle triangle. But if you clean this, that means something like this in Arabic is known as 8. So 8 is facing down, while 7 is facing. If you can change it like this, then it's going to be like this. Then this is 7. 7 in Arabic. 7. This is 7 and this is 8. So we are good to go. So 9. 9 in Arabic is just as if you are writing 9 in English language. It's also the same thing like this. 9. You have written. So whenever you come across something like this in Arabic, in English, it's known as 9. Now we've talked about 0 and what? And 1. So 1 and 0 is what? It is 10. 1 and 0 is what? Is it not 10?
Yeah.
1 and 0 is 10. Now we want to get our 10. We just bring this 1, add it with 0, it is what? It is 10. 1 and 0, 10. That is 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 4. Just add 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. So if you add 1 with 0, it will be 10. If you add this one to this, it will be 12. You add 1 to this, it will be 13. You add this one to it, you add 1 to this, it will be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is where we are to stop today. So now before we stop, we are going to read it in Arabic. We have explained it in English, then we are going to explain it as well in Arabic. Now you repeat it after me. Wahid 1.
Wahid 1.
Ithnain 2.
Ithnan 2.
Thalathatun 3.
Thalathatun 3.
Arba'atun 4.
Arba'atun 4.
Khamsatun 5.
Khamsatun 5.
Sittatun 6.
Sittatun 6.
Sabi'atun 7.
Sab'atun 7.
Thamaniyatun 8.
Thamaniyatun 8.
Tis'atun 9.
Tis'atun 9.
10. 10.
10.
Wahid 1. Ithnain 2.
Ithnan 2.
Ithnan 2.
Ithnan 2.
Thalathatun 3.
Thalathatun 3.
Arba'atun 4.
Arba'atun 4.
Khamsatun 5.
Khamsatun 5.
Sittatun 6.
Sittatun 6.
Sab'atun 7.
Sab'atun 7.
Thamaniyatun 8.
Thamaniyatun 8.
Tis'atun 9.
Tis'atun 9.
10.
10.
May Allah accept it as an act of worship. Subscribe, like, and share to others. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.